Okay, this is my 1941 Blue Star bandsaw. It's a 12-inch bandsaw. It was originally for woodworking. I converted it to metal temporarily using actually a treadmill motor. This is the setup right here. I had to further reduce it, so I put this rather large pulley on the bandsaw and a rather small one on the treadmill motor. Anyways, it worked quite fine. I use the controls from the treadmill. You can see it down there, kind of, and even the pot and everything that was with it. I made this temporary bracket to fit onto the bandsaw at the back here using an existing bolt hole, so I didn't have to drill anything. There it is in action. Works quite well, but it was only a temporary solution, I guess, or fix until I got this thing going. This is what I've been using all along as my metal cutting bandsaw, but it was on a real cheesy base. So what I did is I actually got a gear reduction gearbox, and I had this. I think it's also from a treadmill. Can't remember exactly where I got that one. I know I have a 2 horsepower that was from a treadmill, but I'm having a hard time with getting a controller for it. It's a slightly, it's a 20 amp motor, so it's a little too heavy for the controller I have. Anyways, this is my replacement saw. It's a 1930s, circa 33, I think, bandsaw. Again, it was originally a woodworking bandsaw. I've converted to metal by the reduction system here. I like it over the Blue Star here, just because it has a bigger table on it. They're both, I guess, similar in quality. I would say probably the Blue Star is a little higher quality, being a bit newer. The castings are a little more refined. And the base on this was welded, stick welded back in the 30s. So the finish on it is not the greatest, but it's a sturdy little bandsaw and it does just fine. Anyways, I made the base out of materials I had on hand. The flat part there actually came with a pump and motor that I bought at a flea market for 15 bucks. And I got the gear reduction system for 10 or 15, I can't remember. And the motor and controller, I've had those so long I can't remember what kind of bargain I got on those. Anyways, that is the replacement saw. Works quite nicely. I'm going to take the motor now off of this one and revert this one back to a woodworking bandsaw. It's kind of a secondary saw. I've got a 15-inch General that I prefer. Anyways, it's a cute little saw. I don't know, maybe I'll sell it. I don't really have a use for it. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching.